test out the charger, and I'm gonna open my van and show you guys this thing is completely dead. All right, there's my old jump box right there, which doesn't jump anything. All right, so, and I have to clean this thing out. Something in here smells horrible. All right, as y'all see, all right, we're putting the key in. Oop. All right, so I put the key in. As you see, no lights come on. There's the key, and no lights come on. Try to start it, nothing. It's completely dead, completely. So we're gonna pop the hood. Grab the charger. All right, guys, here's the new charger. To connect it, get it hooked up. Put my glove on. All right, so I still gotta give y'all a tour of the van. Just gotta clean it out, but it's basically about to be like storage temporary, since it's not, you know. I'll let y'all know I gotta do a video on that. So let's get this plugged up. I'm doing it wrong, I guess. No. All right, you guys. So y'all see I got the cord hooked in. All right, let's pop the hood up. Get the hood up. So let's see. Get it zoomed in a little too far. Let's bring it out some. All right, so we're gonna pull the hood up. Things a pain in the butt sometimes trying to get. All right, so it's a battery. I did this, like I melted it with the jumper cables. So we're gonna hook it up. All right, there, kind of together. Let's take this. Clip this off. There we go. Like that, because it keeps them separated. So we take this piece off and get the negative. Sorry if I'm kind of got y'all moving all around. We're gonna hook the negative up. All right, y'all see that? Got the negative hooked up. Hook up the positive. While the stick is all up in my hair. Right, hang on, you guys. I'm gonna sit you guys up a little bit. I'm about to clean my tripod. All right, so let's kind of get those hooked up, and we're gonna press the info button. Well, we gotta turn it on first. There we go. And you see the light is blinking. So there's a light on right there. It's the first time you guys have been using it. Now let's try to jump it. Let's try to start it. You see the lights going. We're gonna try to start it. Just like that, you guys. As you can hear it running, so we can turn this off. It instantly started it up. So we're gonna hook the negative and hook it how we hooked it up. And hook the positive. Instantly started up. So We're gonna let the engine warm up a bit. Let the engine warm up because it hasn't ran in well over a month. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna show y'all the battery. This is a 750 cold cranking amps in at 0 degrees and 935 cranking amps at 35, and then that's the reserve capacity 130. It's a Duralast platinum battery, EFB technology battery. So, and that's the number, battery number. And it instantly, hold on, I'll catch it up. Now I have the the GB40 Nocos Boost Plus, and this is 12 volt again, 1000 amps, and it instantly started this right up. So you guys can see, we're gonna let it run for a little bit. And this right here, I tried jump starting it. I got my jumper cables right there. Tried jump starting it with another vehicle of ours. It wouldn't jump start at all. I used this to try to charge it, left it on the battery for like hours. It did nothing. And this is I did a review on that. I'll leave the link of this when I first bought this in the description below. But this is 𝙩𝙤𝙤𝙞𝙣. This is 950 portable power, so it's supposed to be like 950 amps, but it wasn't doing anything. And this is a gold. It did nothing for it. And then you see, if you turn it on, it's supposed to jump start it. It didn't jump start it at all. So, and it does have the battery, the internal battery status for this, and it does have a light. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but this did nothing for it. But this thing right here is a beast. So as far as chargers, and again, this is only 1000 amps. I highly would recommend it. Recommend this charger right here. So it's a boost pack. This is awesome. I love it so far. That was my first time, you guys, ever having one of these ones and using it. Not sponsored by them. I paid cash money for that myself. And again, like I said, with my I had like a $25 discount because they were doing 15% off on Advanced Auto, and not sponsored by them either. But I had like 5 of their speed perk bucks, and then, excuse me, and I signed up for Retail Me Not, so I'm gonna get $20 cash back. So that's $45 discount right there. And also purchasing this, I got $10 automatically in speed perk bucks after purchasing that. So yeah, like got $10 back. So basically, to me, that's like $55 of change discount. So that would basically be like I paid what would it be, like 60, 70 some bucks or something like that for this thing, and it's amazing. So I definitely would give this thing a 10 out of 10 on the review. So again, that's it. I got the cables hooked up right there, you guys. So as you can hear, this thing is started, and I'm gonna go ahead and move it, so because I gotta clean it out. So yeah, this is my review on the, I'm gonna unplug this, hold on you guys, the Nocos, or Nocos, how you say it, the Nocos. Oh no, it's terrible, right? The Nocos Boost Plus, and this is the GB40 model, and it is 12 volt 1000 amps of starting power. And I definitely would recommend it. So it instantly started up my huge high top van. So there you guys have it. So if I was again to give this thing out of a 10 out of 10 rating, well, out of a 10 rating, I'd give it a 10. It instantly started up right away, and this van has been sitting for over a month, not started. So this thing did the trick. That right there did it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it wasn't that long. I hope this information on this booster pack was helpful. and actually helps you, you know, if you're looking to buy this, that it helps you out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If this was helpful, again, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video.